This is the moment we have been waiting for.
We do?
Signal?
It's not fuel. We got fuel.
The coils look fine. Oh, that's not good.
Why are we not getting spark?
The fuel pump fuse is burned. It is right here.
It's a 30 amp. Oh shoot, yeah.
What kind of Honda place is this with no fuses?
So you need Honda parts to turn on, and Mazda.
I've been giving it crap all day. Right?
Honda power, papi.
Alright, now I've got fuel burn.
Now I feel it. All right, we're back in action. We have fuel pump again.
Yeah, send it. I've got no 12 volts at the coils for some reason.
That's a major problem.
I reached out to Andrew, our homie over at Haltech. He's now logged into our ECU and he's going through the pinout and making sure everything is set up correctly.
Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready?
Go.
Did you hear that?
She's a loud one.
That sounds sick.
She's alive, baby!
That was like the first crank too, once it was set up properly. Bam.
Smell that premix, baby? It's a smell of victory right there. Whew. What actually happened was there was a couple things that were, the parameters weren't set properly. So we got on the phone with my Haltech buddy who works inside of Haltech USA, and he logged in remotely and actually made a couple quick changes, literally 3 seconds, and boom, there we have it. So we did everything right, we just didn't know the software side of it. So now we know, and next time it won't be a problem.
Fire up, baby. Ready? Go. Rotary sounds so good, dude. It sounds so good. You see it on the left, it's like, rotaries are the best.
I agree, 100%. That's why I got so many of them.
Also, we just checked the oil now that's running, and we're low, so we're gonna add some more.
Oh,
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. No, I didn't spill it. I didn't spill it, it's fine. What are you doing? I spilled 1 drop.
Oh.
It's fine, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
Everybody put in a ton of effort today and we got the car fired up. Special thanks to Alec Bell and Andrew Molina from Haltech for helping us get this thing fired up tonight. So I have a lot of work to do.
The Salinas racetrack event that we're debuting this car at starts in just a few hours, and there is a lot to do. How much is left?
You want to see the list? Because it's a lot. It's a list about yay long. But the nice thing is it's all basically cosmetic stuff and just buttoning things up. So we know we got a runner. Now we just got to put it all back together, get it on the ground, and get it to the meet.
So today may be a little bit crazy. We'll try to capture as much as we can, but honestly, it is all hands on deck to get this thing ready for the event.
We have this beautiful wide body kit and we have some nice stainless steel hardware. But in order for this car to look like a really good looking car, to look like a show car, there's one thing we gotta do, and that's add Downstar hardware kit.
Crusty finger.
I'm working on reassembling the interior, so I've got to get our shifter installed, I've got to get our center console back in and our shift knob on, then the inside of the car will be completely finished. There we go!
We've got to do the exhaust and we got to do the rear diffuser. And the only tricky part about the exhaust, because the back half is just a Greddy section, is to connect it to the downpipe that came with the motor. So I already welded on the adapter 3.5 to 3. Our exhaust is 3-inch. We're actually going to be scalping off this mid pipe that we bought, and it should be pretty easy, actually a little bit easier than we thought. We're going to essentially bolt this up, cut this off here, and I just need to weld this piece to the downpipe and we should be done. So this is the downpipe that came with the engine, a 3.5 to 3-inch reducer, a vibrant reducer, and then this is going to convert it to our flange so that it bolts up to our Greddy exhaust system. So pretty easy. Let's get it done. We are running out of time. Our new little downpipe is done. Welded it up pretty nice. This is the final step. Here we go. The final put it on here first.
Giving her a little bit of a hand bleed here. You can see some bubbles coming up. You just like tickle it a little bit. That's what she said. You get some bubbles here and there. Get all the air out of this cooling system, baby. We'll get it running. We'll get it up to temp. This thing sounds so badass, dude. I want a Bridgeport. I hold it at a certain idle and it's on the left. It's like trying to jump off the lift. Like it's insane.
Can we do that one more time?
I already did it. We're gonna start it up, let it run for a minute, and I want to try and get this thing to jump off the lift.
No, that's not what we
Yeah, let's
want.
not do that. Let's not jump.
Joe, it was a joke. That thing sounds sick, huh?
I need fireballs. Move on,
You
move
just-
on, move on.
Next up on my kill list is to get this front bumper drilled for these lights. These act as a driving light and as a turn signal, and the boys already have the harness on the car, so all we gotta do is plug it in and we'll have running lights. All right, just went ahead and clearanced a little bit of these are old rubber bumpers from Mazda. We need to tuck this exhaust up as high as possible. This car is gonna probably run pretty hot and shoot flames, so we wanna make sure that we're not catching our rear bumper on fire. So I went ahead and trimmed out a little bit of that plastic just to sort of alleviate that problem. We also have to get a diffuser on here, which we also have to clearance, but it's gonna look mint when it's on there.
Diffuser is on. We just got all our holes marked, pulled all the self-tappers back out, so we're gonna drop it down, oversize these, riv nut it, and then put this diffuser on for the last time. So let's keep going. So we got the RX-7 up to temperature. It's holding well. We got our coolant system bled, ready to go. So we're pretty much ready to go head out to the Salinas racetrack with this thing.
Evan was wise enough to pick us up a couple Puerto Rican flags to hang in the rearview mirror. So Ricky, you want to do the honors, brother?
Oh my God, yes. Dale papi, Boricua.
Right in your line of sight.
Ah, perfect. That's usually how it
You
is.
don't need to see where you're
That's
going.
how it
before you
works.
go, you just go through the lights.
That's
anyway.
it. To block the haters away.
it just in time to Salinas Speedway, and the car's already gathering a crowd, which is awesome. So hopefully we have enough sunlight to walk around the pits and check out some of these cars.
We made it to Salinas racetrack. Tonight is, I think, front wheel drive only, or lots of front wheel drive cars. You got some snacks.
I came here to eat, baby. I came here to eat. That's it.
Yeah.
These things are awesome.
Dude, it's crazy here.
Listen to that. Oh my God. Now we're driving it. This car sounds so good, dude. Give it a little bit. Give her some more.
Sean is shooting the FD, seeing this thing in its element. It's done.
It's so
good.
The car
It's
turned out
so
amazing.
sick.
It looks good. It sounds good. We made it. We're here. We did
We
it.
actually pulled it off.
2 weeks and we drove
Not
it
even.
today.
Absolutely insane.
What is this? What is this? Is this it?
This Tacoma, yeah.
This is a standard truck with a premium sound system.
Let's see. Vamos a verlo.
Oh! All right.
I've seen that before.
That's
Crazy.
Wait, so where do you sit in the back?
Okay, Saxon. Hey, look in the back. Look in the back. Oh, damn.
Can't see.
Here, like.
When you like.
Give me a flashlight. What we got?
Yeah, he got it.
Holy.
Yo, look at the little umbilical stereo he's got right there.
Yeah, it extends 15
Oh,
feet out.
it's about to pop off. Alright, we're gonna turn it on right now?
Dude, how much does it weigh? Oh my God, dude. He has to put a stop in there because the speakers weigh so much that the door will just swing open. I mean, this has got to be a couple 100 pounds probably right here.
That's crazy.
Look at the fiberglass work. This is all fiberglass, hand shaped. And look at it. It even has its own little door flap finisher panel right here. He probably used the stock door panel and recreated it. I wouldn't say I'm that into this level of sound system, but like the amount of craftsmanship and work that gets put into something like this is absolutely insane. And you can really feel his passion when you look at this. To me, that's what makes it all so cool. All right, let's hear this thing.
He's looking at 5 12-inch mid-bass PRVs, right?
I have one of these in my car. Yeah.
This is 512s?
This is 5 in each door. There's another 5 over there.
There's 10 total.
I have 112 in my car.
No, this is not a subwoofer. This is voice.
What?
And
Where's the sub?
hold on. And you see this? These are drivers. It's pretty much like a huge Twitter, right? Look how many are there. Each one of them is a different driver. All right, so get ready. Now,
I have a feeling they're gonna hear
now
it.
subwoofer, right?
Where are the subwoofers?
In the back of the truck. There's two 18-inch subwoofers. 18-inch subwoofers. And then you may want to back up.
Let her rip, baby.
That's what I'm talking about.
You guys have to witness this in person because through the computer and through our videos, you're not going to get the level of quality and sound that this thing's actually producing. It is intense.
that is a wrap on the RX-7 build in Puerto Rico. That was absolutely insane to transform this car in just a few days. Now I will say, although it is completed, it's not completely done. And I think that means that we have to have the RX-7 shipped back to us in the States so we can completely dial it in. I want to say a sincere thank you to Sunoco. I cannot thank Carlos at Prestige Performance, his whole team, and honestly, the island of Puerto Rico for being so incredibly welcoming to our entire team. We've been fed, people have been dropping by and giving us treats, snacks, just to keep us going, and it has just been so much fun being here on the island and experiencing all that Puerto Rico has to offer. So I can't thank you guys enough for supporting this video series. If you guys want to see us do more stuff like this, if you want to see us come to your hometown or home country, please be vocal in the comment section below. We do read the comments and we appreciate each and every one of you guys for sticking with us all the way to the end. There's going to be so much more in store for this RX-7 and we are so incredibly excited. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Now just listen to this for the next couple minutes.